Hi, my name is Purnendu Ghoshal. I am from Uttarpara. Today I teach you Scratch programming. What is Scratch? Scratch like a game. This is for easy to use. You all know what is game. That's it. You see, this is a Scratch page, and these things, this river, and this is the boat, and this round block is your destination, and this river is called stage, and this boat is called sprite, and this area is block, and this is block element, and this is workspace, and this area workspace area, and this is drag a move forward block and white space, and hit run to try your program. This is your instruction, or you say it is a question that depend on you. And this question, your destination, you come this boat, you mm, come this destination. So what you will do, you do one move forward is here. So one move forward, you come this square block, but this is your not your destination. This is your destination is this round block. So one move forward is not come, so I use second move forward also come. So I drag this element. How to drag this element? You just right click your mouse and right turn, you attach this area and drop this thing. Then mm, your workspace is ready for this code. Everyone is do this move forward. You can move forward, drag this area, and you paste anywhere in this workspace, but it not come, not work. It work also for you attach these things, then it work. So now I run this program. Now you come this your destination. Well done. See, well done. So I go to next level. Wait for few minutes for loading this page. Lesson 2. Hmm. Lesson 2. Lesson 2. Please read the question. Use the move forward block to help Mona and Meo reach the fish bank. Means these two cartoon, means this boat come to this round block or fish bank. This fish bank. How it possible? You move this boat one time, that is possible? No. Move this boat two times, that is possible? Not. You move this boat three times, then it is possible. So I drag this move forward one time and drop here, and another drag this move forward another one time and drop here, and another move forward, drag this block area and drop workspace area. This code is ready. Now I run this code and come this boat to this fish bank or this round area. Well done. You complete this lesson 2. After that, you complete this lesson. After that, you third lesson. And third lesson, what is your instruction or is your question? Use the move forward and right turn right block to get the canoe closer to fish. Once you get there, be sure to use the fish block to make the catch. So this boat come this fish block. So you use one move forward for this block. After that you turn right, and after turn right you use one move forward for this block, and after this block you come, this is your destination, so you use another move forward for this destination. So I use these things for turn right and one move forward for these things. Then use one another move forward for this block to this area, and after that you use this block. So I use another move forward. After that I use fish area and run these things. Move forward, turn right, move forward, and fish. Catch this fish. Well done. You complete this fish catching.